Good morning! Happy Saturday. I guess you'll be watching this Sunday. Happy Sunday. It's cloudy here today. So, just to tell you exactly how messed up the weather here in Florida is. On Thursday morning it was 66 degrees when I went and worked out. Yesterday morning it was 44 degrees when I went and worked out. And today is like 56. So it is all over the map. Talk about messing with you. Anyway, today's mission. Silver. This is where she's starting at. She's all in pieces. Jugs are on, pistons are in. All the rest has to be put back together. So that is my mission this weekend. Who knows, maybe even today. We'll see how fast I get this done. Anyway, that's the plan. But first, coffee. So let's go grab some coffee and then get some stuff done. See you in a few. Hi guys, about ready to get this party started. She's pulled out to the middle of the shop. Heads are out there getting all cleaned up. Got new valve seals for them. Valves the whole 9 yards, so I'll be putting that all back together today. And then hopefully putting all of this back together today. And I honestly don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow, but hopefully I'll be starting this thing this weekend. If I can get that done, this weekend will have been a successful weekend. Then I just need to put the new Speedo in it, the new tack, get it back to working order because of the whole stator issue I had over the summer. And then, Silver will basically be back ready to be on the road, but I think I'm gonna leave her parked and just ride Red. See how many miles I can put on Red now. So anyway, we will see, but for now, I've got to go make a run to O'Reilly's and get some engine cleaner. I've got the engine apart. I might as well get it nice and clean before I put it all back together. So let's go get some engine cleaner, take a short motorcycle ride, and then we'll be back to put this beast back together. Away we go. Alright guys, hell, I don't even know what time it is. 2:22. What's the chances I would turn this video on at 2:22? Anyway guys, just so you know, progress is being made. The cams are in it, cam plates back on it. Starting to build from the bottom up there. Got the heads all cleaned and get ready to put them back together. I don't think I'll get it done today. It'll probably be tomorrow. And then my sister, who I was talking about earlier in the week, she is still down from Missouri and she's coming to hang out with us tomorrow. So I don't know how much I'll get done tomorrow. So this may not get done till next week. Oh well, I got a bike to ride, so no big hurry. I'd rather take my time and put it back together right than hurry up and then have to take it back apart again, because that sucks. Anyway, so 2:22, we're going back together. We'll see where we're at when nightfall hits. Anyway, back to work. All right, it is 3:53. The heads are on. Woohoo! Getting closer. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get this done tonight. Taking me too long to clean like each little part and piece, and you're gonna put it back together clean and neat and all organized. So probably won't get it done today, maybe tomorrow, depends on whether the company shows up, but I'll show you where I end anyway. See you in a few. All right, so we're getting closer. In fact, I could spend a couple hours tonight and have it started, but anyway, motor's all back together. Just need to put the air cleaner back on. Cams, heads, everything's done there. So that, put the gas tank on, put the gauges on, drop a battery in it. the exhaust. That's it. That's all I lack. To hopefully having it running, right? Then comes that part where you're like all together and you're just like, oh man, I hope this thing runs. I hope I didn't forget anything. I hope I didn't overlook anything. Because I mean, that's easy to do. Even though like I took my time, you know, checked and double checked, just because I don't want to have to open it up again to fix something that I fucked up. But anyway, that's it. I think I'm going to clean up for the night, and in the morning I'll come out and put the rest together and fire it up. So anyway, I think that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Ha! You thought it was over. You thought I was done. I just keep finding pieces, and I'm like, I'll put that on. I'll put that on. So exhaust is all on. Air breather's ready to go back on. All I have left is the tank and the instrument cluster. And then, of course, the other issue I had before, right? I am going to have to fix this mess. Clean out all the metal and make sure the chain's adjusted properly. Put a new gasket on it before I'll be ready to go. So I don't have a gasket. I usually have one on hand, but I don't. So tomorrow you'll get to go with me to the Harley dealership so I can get a gasket for that. Then we'll get it all cleaned out, everything there set up, and then I'm done. I'm an hour, maybe an hour and a half away from cranking this baby over. So that'll be tomorrow's goal. Crank this baby over. Hopefully it fires right up, and I'll be done with the silver project. Ha! That would be awesome. That would be the Jeep done, the silver project done. Red still needs tensioners, and then Mama Badger's got like all this list of shit she wants done here at the house. So I know what I'm going to be busy doing. Anyway, that's it for the night. I'm done. I'm quitting. I'm leaving. I'm out of here. I'll see you tomorrow.